And this is the third video of this Dixie-Narco Faygo pop machine. We already showed the quarter slot working and vending slot 6, which is currently the lemonade. But what I haven't tried and what I'm curious of, does the dollar changer work? So this is what this video is all about. Let's check it out. So as you heard, it does appear that it accepted the money. But I heard money come out, and we got some funky thing chilling here in the slot. Piece of plastic or something we gotta fix. Kind of see it right here. I don't even feel the change. I think something's broken down here. But let's see if it vends. And it vends.